What's up, Hotties? Welcome to my channel. My name is Courtney, and today I wanted to give you guys the tea and the deets on this wig. So let's get into it. Hey Hotties, so I did want to just give my quick little review on this beautiful wig that I received, that I purchased, because I purchased it. And yes, I did dye it. You guys can see that color, that curl pattern. So yes, I got this wig from West Kiss. It came in an 18-inch, what else? Curly, natural black it came in. And I achieved this color with a box dye. I will be showing you guys that video, how I achieved this color, the steps that I did and everything. This is my personal review on this wig. I like it. I'm giving it a 5 out of 5. I mean, the curl was great. I dyed this wig twice, guys. I dyed this wig twice. I washed it probably 4 times. I've already had this wig for at least 6 months. This is just the first time I'm actually doing a video on it. I did install this twice already. This is my second time wearing this wig. As I said, and you know, it just kept up really well. There was very little shedding. There was very little, you know, it took very well to the dye. And I was pretty amazed because, like I said, I dyed it twice and I didn't expect for the texture to stay, you know, I was expecting it to get hard and it didn't. The price was very good on this wig. I know it was under $200. I will link all the details below, the exact price and everything and where I got it from and all that good stuff. But overall, like I said, I really like this company. I will be buying from this company again. So yes, 5 out of 5 for me.